Laura here with Concierge Aesthetics and Plastic Surgery, giving you information to make 2021 the best year yet. I am so excited about today because I think skincare is the great unknown for so many. People don't know what to do, when to do, how to do, what's good, what's bad. So we have an expert, Beth. If you haven't met the beautiful Beth, she is our lead aesthetic educator. So she helps educate all of the estheticians in the practice. She has countless years of experience. She's also, I would say, a product guru of herself, self-proclaimed of course, but she is a product junkie. So not only does she understand the ingredients, she also tries it herself so she can give you first-hand accountability on what's good, what you're gonna feel, and what you're gonna experience. So Beth is excited to give us some tips for 2021 to make it the best skin year yet. So Beth, what are some of the secrets that we can share? I mean, we can't give away all the secrets because you got to come in and have a consultation with her for them all. But let's give them some, a little tidbit, get them excited. What can they expect? What can they learn from you today?
So the first thing I'm going to talk about is all this mask wearing that we're having to do around here. A lot of times that's causing a lot of like unwanted acne, some dry skin. I'm seeing a lot of what I call winter wonky skin. I talk to my clients about that every day. Winter wonky skin involves dry, sort of peely, sort of crusty skin. What I'd recommend is to make sure that you go and see your skincare specialist seasonally for an updated consultation for skincare. Super important that we kind of change it up as we age, as the seasons change. Right now it just snowed here in Chicago where we are and it's really, really dry. So we're seeing just a lot of chapped skin underneath that mask. So you might want to switch to like a heavier moisturizer, or hyaluronic acid might be necessary. We don't know until we see you and really dig in and have a nice consultation and decide what we're going to change.
What is something that they can do today, starting today, that can make a difference? Just a tip.
Well, one tip for winter skin is you want to, number one, make sure you're still wearing that SPF because you don't want to age your skin and ruin all the treatments that you've started doing already, hopefully in October and November and December. Another thing you can start doing is simply making sure that you're washing your face every night before you go to bed. You know, anti-aging skincare is super important morning and night. But if you're feeling dry, chapped, chafe, you might want to skip a cleanse. And a lot of times people are lazy at night, but what's important is that you're not lazy at night, that you're more on top of your skincare at night. And then you could be lazy in the morning and just use a little water on your face or just wipe your skin when you get out of the shower. But make sure you're cleansing off those free radicals from pollution at nighttime before you go to bed and using your great anti-aging and heavier skincare at night.
That's a great tip. I think people oftentimes, they love the way they look, so they go to bed full makeup and they're like, oh, I'll just wash it off in the morning, you know, or, you know, there's that someone special next to you, but, you know, they're going to see what you look like without that makeup at some point, right? Yeah, yeah. Is there a way to just do at-home skincare, or should people be doing at-home skincare along with treatments? Is one better than the other? You know, sometimes people are like, oh, I'll just go and get my facial. And how often should they be getting facials? And a little...
So you want to try and get your regular facials, your maintenance treatments, at least every 4 to 6 weeks. They increase cell turnover rate, keep you up to date on your skincare, make sure that you have full stock of your important skincare at home. And also, I always tell my clients, you can't just get a facial and then go home and do nothing. That would be like going to the dentist, getting a deep clean, and then never brushing your teeth. That's really gross, right? Gross. So we're not ever gonna do that. So that is kind of how I feel when my clients don't do any of their skincare at home. I'm like, okay, so what are we doing here? So we need to make sure that we're maintaining our skin at home and using proper skincare, and still getting your regular facial treatments on top of any other, you know, Botox or anything else maintenance-wise you might be doing. Super important.
This has been such great material. Is there anything you want to leave us with? Any last tip to make sure that 2021 is the best skin year yet?
So one of the best tips I can give you is to just make sure you're being consistent. Part of being consistent is making sure that you pre-book your appointments. So when you leave your facial, go ahead and book before you leave. Then you'll get the reminder on your phone right away. You'll get another reminder right before your appointments. All of that will just help you be more consistent and make sure that you're on time for your facials. You don't forget to brush your teeth and wash your face.
Please don't forget to brush your teeth, please.
So don't forget to get your facials either.
Yes. Well, Beth, this has been so much fun. Every time I'm with her, I learn something new. There's always tidbits that she's going to give you in every single appointment. So it is so important to be consistent. And just like Beth shared with us, it's not just the treatment, it's not just the skincare, it's a whole combination. And here at Concierge, we're going to create a whole customized plan for you. So come in, book your consultation with one of the experts. Beth will say her because she's the best, right? But everyone here is amazing. So no matter which location, definitely call and make 2021 the best skincare year yet.